Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want you to come along with me as I clean and decorate our master bedroom for spring, and I'm going to share with you a couple new pieces that I have that are so pretty. This is so embarrassing, but I'm just laying it all out here for you guys. This is how our master bedroom has been looking lately. It's been an absolute mess, and it's one of the places in my house that I take care of last because really it's me and my husband that see it. And so I thought it would be a good idea to do a clean and decorate with me video with you guys, and that would also motivate me to clean this up. And then I also took some photos at the end for my blog. So thank you for helping me stay accountable and helping me clean out my room. The laundry is what gets me every time. It piles up in our room. So I'm just finishing up a few loads of laundry here, putting it all in the 3 girls hampers. So we have 1, 2, 3 hampers for the girls. They actually usually help me do all the laundry. That's something that they've been working on with me together. So I just had one more load to fold, and now I'm just taking all of their hampers to their rooms. And they're going to be putting this all away tomorrow. And then I'm also putting all of our towels away. We have the bath towels under the sink, and then I'm making a little spot for all of the kitchen towels. And then I am stripping the bed finally of all of our winter linen. So I like to have flannels and cozier faux furs and things like that for winter. So I just want to show you what I do with our bedroom linens for spring. So I love white sheets, always have loved white sheets because you can bleach them, you can clean them really well, and they're just so crisp and they go with everything. So I just have a simple white cotton sheet that I'm putting on the bed. And we do have a king size bed, so this is a workout in itself. I got my steps in today, that's for sure. Then I have 3 Euro sized pillows. So I think these ones are 26 by 26. They just have some cotton cases on them. And again, they're just like a nice creamy white color. And then I'm putting our duvet and duvet cover back on. I did just wash this one, so it's still nice and fresh. This is a linen duvet cover. I got this one from Taylor Linens a few years ago, and it's one of those investment pieces that I think I'm going to be using for years and years to come. The quality is so good. I will link it down in the description box below. It is a little bit more pricey, but again, it's white, it's linen, it's neutral, it's going to go with anything. And a piece like this that's really good quality should last you for years and years. You might even be able to hand it down to your kids. It's an heirloom sort of piece. And then I'm just putting some nice white cotton pillowcases on our pillows. And I like this sheet set with the pillowcases because it has a little white ruffle on it, so it kind of has that French country look that I love. Our bedroom is one of the only places in our home that I keep quite neutral. I just like sleeping in a neutral room because it's less busy. I find it really calming. As much as I love color, I find that it's really almost like invigorating. So I like to keep our room relatively neutral. And then socks. Oh my gosh, I don't know about you guys, but socks are my nemesis. I don't know why I always end up with like 20 pairs or 20 socks that are not in a pair. So I finally went through all this huge pile of socks on our love seat here, finally putting some pairs together. And then I'm taking all of the lone socks, putting them in a bag, and then I'm going to give them like seriously 1 or 2 weeks. If they can't find buddies, they are going into recycling, or they may become crafts. I don't know, we'll see what happens to them. It feels so good to have this little love seat all cleared off. It's a great place for dressing, just for relaxing, sitting, catching up on my emails. So finally having it free of laundry is fantastic. I'm just moving around some more things that just were misplaced here. Also cleaning off the tops of our nightstands as well. I do need to do some more organization I realized when I was cleaning, for both my jewelry and my essential oils. I love both of those things. So that might be an upcoming video, is just doing a little bit of bedroom organization for both jewelry, essential oils, and maybe some other organization ideas for the bedroom as well. I also went through my clothing. I try to do this once every season and just took out things that, maybe I like them, but I just haven't worn them in 6 months or more, and they are going to be donated along with some hangers. I'm trying to collect all just wooden hangers, and I'm donating the rest. Then it's time to clean and dust all of the nightstand tops, the top of the bed, etc. So I just use Windex for this. I sure love these mirrored nightstands, but the only thing I don't like about them is that they get so dirty so quickly. The mirror smudges and it gets really dusty looking. So once they're clean, they're gorgeous, but they definitely are a little bit more higher maintenance. I'll make sure to link to all of my furniture if it's still available down in that description box below in case you're interested. Then after everything is dusted, I go ahead and vacuum. I got this Miele vacuum last year and I really love how it functions. It is a corded vacuum, which I wasn't sure about because I do have a cordless as well, but this one definitely has more suction power. I will also link to it down below, and I just swap out the power head for the carpet and then just do the regular other head for the laminate floors that we have. Then, since I took the clock down here, I put it down in my dining room. You might have seen that in my spring home tour. I just moved this Bible verse art that I had to this spot. Now, I don't do this all the time, but this is my steamer. It's just a really inexpensive Conair steamer, and I'm steaming out the really big wrinkles out of my sheets. Now, this is a step that, like I said, I don't usually do, but since I decided I wanted to take some photos for my blog and just do some spring decor bedroom inspiration photos, I thought I would steam out the large wrinkles. I don't mind the smaller wrinkles in the linen duvet cover because it's kind of the look that I like, but the big obnoxious wrinkles out of the pillows, I use my steamer. This thing is awesome. It works great for drapes and clothing as well. I will link to that down below too. Then I'm just taking some decorative pillows. These ones were really inexpensive pillow covers from H&M. You might have seen the video I did on these tasseled pillows. I will link to that down below and up in the top corner. And then this pillow is a new pillow that I received from April Cornell. They gave it to me in exchange for featuring it here. And I love that it is mostly neutral, but then it has these gorgeous French country flowers on it in kind of like a rusty coral color as well as an aqua blue. And I got this beautiful throw. It feels like a quilt. It has batting inside and it is so pretty. I'll give you a close-up of that soon. I put another throw on my love seat. And then I DIY'd this tassel pillow and I think it looks really cute here on the corner of the love seat. So here is how our room looks, all clean and all decorated for spring. I kept it quite simple this season. I just liked that fresh look, and I made the new floral pillow and the new floral throw really the stars of this space because everything else is quite simple and quite neutral. So here's a closer look at the throw from April Cornell. It is a beautiful cotton, just so gorgeous. I love the edging on it. If you can see, it's just kind of like a really pretty aqua threaded edging, and it has a plaid backing to it. I will link it down in the description box below as well. They gave me a special coupon code just for you, for my viewers, for my readers. So if you want to get a deal until the end of July 2019 on either the pillow or the throw or anything on the April Cornell site, make sure you use the coupon code that I will link to in the description box below. The pillow also has this really cute plaid backing and some buttons, as well as that beautiful edging that the blanket does. Everything on the April Cornell website is totally my style, so many florals and all vintage inspired. Here is a look at the artwork that I have. This is by William Ray Designs. She's a local artist. I will link to that. And again, this is a DIY pillow that I also did a tutorial on, and I think it looks really great with the aqua plaid and the rest of the little aqua bits in the floral pillows and the throw. So I am so happy that I finally got to clean and decorate this room. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. I would love to hear. And here's just a couple photos that I took. I do tend to like photos a little better than video to show the true colors of things. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. And I'll see you guys all again in the next video. Bye.